Hello mga ka-Iris! Another video for a very young age client from San Isidro. Treatment lang po ang gagawin ko sa virgin hair niya. And I will be applying the Eucollagen 1 and 2 treatment by Yogi Care. Ayan, to proceed, ayan, wash ko na po yung hair niya, pina-shampoo ko, then after that, towel dry lang po, and then ina-applyan ko na po siya ng Eucollagen treatment number 1. Pwede rin naman pong i-blow dry nyo po, depende po sa inyo. Hinayaan ko lang po siya mag-last sa hair niya for about 45 minutes, and then pinabanlaw, and then towel dry, and then in-apply ko po yung Eucollagen treatment number 2 na po by Yogi Care again. Ito po ay talagang kailangan basa ang buhok bago nyo po applyan ng number 2. And kinip ko po yung treatment sa hair niya for about 45 minutes again. Then banlaw, blow dry, and plancha. Paper thin lang po ang pagpa-plancha ko sa buhok ni ma'am. And this is the final looks of Eucollagen 1 and 2 treatment sa buhok ni ma'am. Very shiny and very smooth. By the way, 12 years old lang po si ma'am. And this Eucollagen 1 and 2 treatment is applicable po from 10 years old and above. Formaldehyde free at napakabango po sa buhok. Malaking tulong din po itong Eucollagen 1 and 2 treatment sa mga super damaged and super dry and super brittle na hair. Again, thank you so much, Michelle Dar of San Isidro, for trusting Iris Beauty and Wellness Hub